and then we started with the steps what we need to follow. Then we started using the tips data set and how to load the data into it. And post which the next following step will be handled by Anusha. Anusha, you are ready?
Yes.
Can I allow Anusha to share screen, ma'am, the coordinator? CIR of Anusha. I'd like to share. Yes, you are able to share screen, Anusha. You could start. The coordinator, could you make CIR of Anusha username as co-host to share a screen? Yeah, Anusha, you can start off the session.
Okay. Good afternoon, spouses. Good afternoon. Oh, yes. We start today second session. Anyone can say what is data? What is data science? In simple words, anyone can say. Data science, we have data sets here. Perform some functions with data or with data sets. Now we are going to have what is no data sets. What we want, we tell it, done what the data, which we don't want, right? That is what we not really good at that. Okay, that thing is a process of fixing whatever incorrect and incorrectly formulated and duplicated data. We delete or we can do it. Are dirty data, okay, which the data we don't want. And how we can do that. When working with multiple data sources, we have many targets for data to be incorrect, we can get a mistake. If data is wrong and outcomes and algorithm is unpredictable, when working with a mispair with the missed data sets, with the missed data and the data sets, we can't perform algorithms, right? And we won't get the correct data. So we clean the data. That is what we do. Data cleaning is the process of changing or eliminating the garbage incorrect and correct. What incomplete data data cleaning or a data scrub is called, otherwise we can call it as data scrub. Is that the incomplete data and the data set? We describe there are following steps to clean the data. Data cleaning or a data scrub is the integrated among the general data system. Data cleaning plays an important part in developing reliable answers within the analytical process. The inputs and spaces with the inputs and the basics. Why data cleaning is very essential? Why data cleaning is very essential? To have a quality data, to avoid bad quality data. Data cleaning is very important in company because then and there we want to trash or unwanted data in company in business sector. Data cleaning will be a main project. And what is the benefits of data? Now we show you how to clean it. This TDF is George this null function. You can use this, or you can write this command in Polar. Dot is null. Previous answer now. There is null is the missing values. What are the missing values we have in the data sets? Yes, answer is here. Next one, you want to avoid duplicates. What are the duplicate values? So we want to find. For that purpose, we are using df dot duplicate function. We try whoever tried this. If right, if right, put message yes perform. No one if right, you want to use this is how we clean the data. on the data sets. We avoid to avoid duplicate values or repeating values. We use EF is a function which is calculated to avoid duplicate values. First, we have to fetch the duplicate values and later we can discard it out. What are the benefits of data? Data benefits of the data. It gives a good quality, a data quality. With a good data quality data, we can perform so many algorithms and we get a accurate accuracy in the data. In the data. We get by using data cleaning, we get accuracy and efficiency. As I said, we get accurate values and the complete data. The data is what we want alone, we can get it. And maintain data transparency. Very main thing is error-free data. What error-free data? After data certain cleaning of data, cleaning the data, error-free data. We get error-free data, so we can perform various functions with the benchmark. As a data sets, we get a benchmark data set. So certain requirements and we get accurate by the factor of the well, what is data? Data integration is a process of combining data from different sources into a system. Unify, we combine the data, right? What are the things we want and we put in them. For example, you take math. When we fetch the student details during the admission times, we only fetch whether the fees payment is paid and the marks this. So we copy certain things and we put it like that in data sets. In data sets, we can minimum 1 2 lakhs of data that we want. Okay. For this purpose, so minimum 2 lakhs is a minimum value. More than more than 2 lakhs of minimum 2 lakhs of efforts is one lakh. A single thing. It takes time sometimes. Within a minute, we can minimum we can run 2 lakhs of approaches. What is approaches? A person's issue. Like that, you can run according to your. In those purpose, in these purpose, what are the things we want? We combine. For example, if you want the only students address, you will combine like that. When we handling so much 2 lakhs of data, when we use this data information, get the data. Within that also, we have to performing data. We have to do all those problems. What are the different methods of integration? Integration by substitution, integration by parts, integration using trigonometry, integration of some particular functions, integration by partial functions. These are the some methods for integrating our data sets. According to the need, you want it. Have you tried two statements? Data cleaning. data relationship. For data integration, use use some functions and now I'm going to what are the functions. And first one is this is a merge function. Use this for merge steps. The join. And this is one the join function. To join the two columns or two rows, we can, for example, we want to join with their name and age. We want to differentiate them, separate with their age. We can use this join data by joining those names according to the quality with their name and their age. Later, after those data cleaning, we can fetch the data. So we use these. And the last one is untitled function for combining data frames across rows and columns. This is data frame across rows and columns. Now, what have to try this functions in a program? You can try it. You can try these three functions according to your data sets and in one response. Let's try this. Merge function. One, merge. Now you want to try, for example, you can use that merge, join, and compare. So you want to try or merged? What is in this place, what you want, and what you want as a column, you can give it as. You do it as under the data section. And size. Now try this code. For example, we have given what are the columns and what are the columns you want to merge, you can merge them. I can't hear you. And for join, in the place of merge, you can join. And this is for merge and this is for join. And what is the difference between a data cleaning and data transfer? It's a cleaning. We clean, trash the data that the data we don't want to trash. That is called data cleaning, and data transforming is we transform the data from one data set to another place. For example, first two columns want to be age, name, and department. We transform. That is called data transforming and data. We have differences between these things. I will move on to the next cat.
Okay. Thank you, Anusha. All right. Have you all tried the other things? Have you tried how to find for duplicates on also missing values? Yes, no? Okay. Hope you're able to see in my screen. Can one of you unmute and speak? If you're able to see in my screen. Able to see in my screen? Am I audible? Able to see my screen and hear me? I'm not able to hear. Are you able to hear me what I speak? Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So when we have taken the data set, right, the tips data set, and you know the size and the shape, if you want to find how many, is there any null values, then you give df dot is null of to find individually. To find individually, that is what Ansha told. If you want to find it as the entire sum of it, okay, of every, how many columns are there? From this 7 columns are there, right? So all the 7 columns, sorry, whenever I close and run, I need to run it again. Okay, I'm loading tips data set, and so df.null will show me individually each rows and columns there any null values. If there is null values, it will show true. All right, and duplicates. Okay, so is there any duplicates? Then I give off is null of dot sum of. Okay, so this will tell me on the entire column, the sum of the entire column. Try this is null of dot sum of. So even though if you're going to have 50 columns or 100 columns, you'll be able to find it out. Okay. Mic's on mute if you're not listening to it. Okay, have you got it? Is null of dot sum of. Yes, no? So here drop.na, if there is any variables of any duplicates, you've got df drop na2 as or df duplicates is individual values, right? Df dot drop na. Okay. So drop na. See after dropping before also I have 144 cross 7. Okay, to before also if I give drop na, if there is a null value, listen carefully, if there is a null value, it will drop the duplicates. But here as even if you see before, if you see even before, you can see it was 244 cross 7. Okay, 244 rows and 7. If there is a missing number, then I will be getting a lesser value in this. And so I can assure in this data set there is no missing values and there is no duplicates. Okay, and if it is there duplicates, then if drop of NA, if there is any missing values, you'll be able to drop it using drop NA. If there is any missing values, you'll be able to drop NA off. All right. Try these two functions. Once you complete, post it on chat as done. Yes, Saranya ma'am is in done. Yeah, done. Okay. So, so I will show you how to create a data frame. Okay, how to create a data frame. So I can import pandas. See, I'm going to show you an example of merge one, right? Already I've imported pandas, so I'm not going to import it. I can create data frame is equal to import pandas as pd.dataframe. My column name is common. All right, and I'm going to have A, B, C, D, E, and then the names of the file. Okay, John, Alice, Emma, Watson, the age, and the second data frame. Okay, so this is how you can create data frames. I will show to you. I'm creating a data frame. I'm taking as the data frame, or you can have it as whatever you want. I'm going to have the first column name. Okay. So open the parenthesis, open curly brace, okay, common, and then A, B, C, D, E, name, John, Alice, Emma, Watson, Harry. Next is age, next column is age. I close the curly brace and close it. Actually, I'm declaring a dictionary with key value place. And the next data frame, pd.data frame of, I'm creating a data frame. Again, the same column, common is the same name. Okay, same column. Sports is cricket, football, table tennis, badminton, and chess. All right, and the movies are some movies. Okay, I've created two data frame. And I'll make it as, to make it simple, I'll make it as df1 underscore 1 and I'll make it df underscore 2. So this is how you can create a data frame. Now I'll show you. This might this is my first data frame and this is my second data frame. df underscore 2. Right. So df is equal to pd dot data frame of, open the parenthesis and have a curly brace. This is the key. The key is the common and A, B, C, D, E, and next is name, column and values inside, and the third column is age. Okay, and the same thing is for the next. So when if I want to merge these two data frames, I give pd dot merge of df1, df2 from left. Okay, from left. What is on both? What is the common? What is the column name that is same? Yeah, pass. a dictionary, rightly said to the professor. And passing a dictionary, or I can create a dictionary and also I can concatenate it. Both it could be possible. So which is which column name is same in both DF1 and DF2? Can you tell me the column name that is same in both DF1 and DF2?
Common.
Common. So I'm going to merge from left, okay, on left, on common. This will be a new data frame, new DF. Can you see? On 18, cricket and Jumbani. So I'm with common value, I'm combining. So if you've got data sets, say for example, you're going to see for climatic data set, you'll have huge volumes of data and you want to combine it according to months or according to seasons or anything, but you can do it using pd.merge on df1, df2 from left on common this column name. All right. Can you try this now? Create a frame. And then name colon, you give us as a list, and age colon, give us a list. Try this.
Time
Even try to create with the values. Are you all trying it? Okay, open curly brace, open up rounded parenthesis, curly brace, column name, colon, then the list of values, then comma, then the next column name, colon, the list of values, then square bracket, and then you give the age, and then you close that, close the curly brace, and close the column parenthesis. Any doubts? Let me kindly ask. Have you created a data frame? df is equal to pd dot data frame. It is case sensitive. D is capital, f is capital. Have you done? Creating two data frames and merging on our left to right. Have you tried merging, creating two data frames and merging? Kindly give any responses, please. Yes, no, you're able to hear me, or I'm not able to hear. You're trying. None, none. Thank you. You tried. Okay. What about others? Going to create another data frame with index. Data frame 1, data frame 2, pd dot data frame of the sports. I'll write John, Alice, and the age, and the movie, and the index. And then I can give new data frame is equal to df1 dot join df2. Okay, so name, set of name, age, and index. Here I'm giving index. When I give index here, when I tried with common, it wasn't working because common is two things. So when I give the common value as index, I can directly give df data frame 1 dot join of data frame 2. But the same will not work for this. I can show to you. So if I'm going to try the same for this, maybe in df, new df is equal to df underscore 1 dot join of df underscore 2, because common is a name here, index, there is overlapping columns. Can you see here? There is no suffix specified as index. Okay, when I'm going to use join, this in capital, when I'm going to use join, I mandatorily need to use the index to join things. But if I'm not using, if I'm going to use merge, I can give two data frames having a common column name. Here my column name is also common. So all common, I'm joining, merging my two data frames. Able to understand? Can you try this? We have seen for merge, and now we are seeing it for join. Finally, we'll see concat and conclude today's session. Try merging and join. Have you tried it out?
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, read to ma'am. Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, actually due to light power issue, I was just got disconnected, so I missed the part. Can you just scroll up, ma'am? I will be very short and I will complete
Yeah.
it.
So
Data
DF,
frame 1 I've done, then data
yeah.
frame 2 and then 40.
And then I'm creating two data frames, DF1, DF2, with the common as the same column name is both. Common name is common sport and movie. Then I'm using new data frame,
Okay.
pd.merge of df1 underscore
Mm.
df2. How? From left on, which column is the same column? It's common. So common name. So common name, age, sports and movie. I'm merging two data frames. All right. And the next is another data frame that have the last value as index. All right, A, B, C, D. And from there, I can directly give the data frame 1 dot join of data frame 2. And creating another data frame. This is an example for cat. A and B, same key values. Okay. And then
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
same key values. All right. But the keys, but the values are different. So I'm putting data frame 1 and data frame 2 and concatenating pd.concatenate, comma, key is equal to key 1, comma, key 2.
Welcome. Thank you.
Somebody's mic is on. Can you unmute? Mute it. I don't know. Both has the same key values. All right, concat we'll see in tomorrow's session. Try, I don't know, because I copied and pasted, there is some little values.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, we have understood merge, concat, sorry, merge, join, and finding of duplicates value, dropping the duplicates, and any missing values. All right. Tomorrow morning again we'll meet around 9. Over to the organizers.